Hi, my name is Vani Deepashree Jayanth. I work in Arena Animation Kammanahalli as a trainer, placement head, academic head, and also do coordination with the university for the degree students. I have completed my diploma in graphic designing in Scranton University, USA, and I pursued my education here. And now I'm very proud to be saying that I've completed 14 years in arena animation recently, and it gives me immense pleasure seeing my students being placed in the MNCs. I also take care of faculty training to make sure the syllabus is all covered properly, and batch segregation of students, and take care of their exams as well as certificates. I match their profiles with the with the industry requirement and place them in appropriate companies. So it's been a long journey. So, Arena Kammanahalli has given me a lot of encouragement in learning new stuff and imparting the same education to students. It's been a great job. It has been a great job satisfaction for me because I am very passionate about teaching, and I'm able to live my dream, I can say. So now for the COVID situation, we have shifted to online classes. All our faculties are doing online classes to our students, and it is giving good results because students are able to adapt, and they are able to get our teaching and show their assignments on time because we can see their screens as well. So until the lockdown is done, we're going to continue this, and it's a great way to learn when you have time now. So I recommend Arena Kammanahalli to all of you, and it'll be great to teach you all. Thank you.